Hello and welcome to Adshank Industries. Adshank Industries presenting world-class premium luxurious wooden toilet seat covers. A new era in bathroom luxury. Adshank seats are made in many different wood colors such as teakwood, walnut, rosewood, mahogany, off-white, white, and black. A true bathroom and toilet luxury. Guaranteed. Adshank Industries manufactures wooden premium and luxurious quality toilet seat covers, which are made to international standard and quality. Adshank toilet seats are made strong and durable to last. Adshank makes more than 100 plus designs and models, suitable in exact shape and sizes to all commode toilet seat models, of all Indian and international sanitary ware brands. Adshank toilet seat covers comes with factory-fitted complete hinges set and also includes complete seat cover fixing hardware kit. Adshank seat comes with both types of hinges options. 1. Soft close type and 2. Non-soft close type or regular hinges. Also, both following seat fixing fittings options available. 1. Top fixing type and 2. Bottom fixing type. Available under one roof. 100 plus different seat cover model of different shapes, different designs and sizes, suitable in exact shape and size, for toilets of both international and Indian brands such as Kohler, Duravit, Toto, American Standard, Jaguar Vilebach, Sarah Hindware Perryware Roca and many more. Do contact us for more details. Adshank toilet seat covers. Guarantees elegance and comfort to any bath or powder room. Coordinates perfectly with bath, vanity, and vessel options, making a statement with its elegant and classic styling. Surely, enhances and alleviates bathrooms' looks and appearances to world-class 5-star standard. A true eye-catcher in every bathroom. And surely, a must product in every bathroom. Your search for premium quality seat covers ends here. For more details, contact Adshank Industries.